Hello everyone, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but now I'm back with full force. Today we are going to repaint my VFC Avalon with a mental health awareness themed paint job. This rifle is the first gun I've ever swirl painted, and I'll leave a little link to that video. It's the most popular video I have on my channel at the moment, sitting at 11,000 views at the time of recording. But now it's time to switch things up a bit. I created my own non-for-profit organization called Niagara Strong, and I'll be attending an Airsoft festival at my local field, Niagara Quartermaster, which is donating money towards my organization. So I decided, well, let's make a mental health related rifle. Anyways, most of you guys know how this works, so let's get straight to sanding. Since I've already swirl painted this rifle before, there is a very thick layer of paint on the parts, so I'll be using a 220 grit piece of sandpaper, and I'm just going to take my time. So now that my parts are nicely scuffed up, I can apply my base coat, and then we can go straight to swirl painting. As you see here, I connected the rail to the upper receiver because I'm actually going to dip them together so there's a more uniform design. If you're going to do this, just consider if your bucket is big enough to fit the length. Here I'll be using a matte black primer as my base coat. Now that we have applied our matte black base coat on our parts, I'm actually going to start working on the lower receiver and the stock. I'm going to add some Niagara Strong vinyl decals to both sides of the magwell as well as the stock. I already sprayed a couple coats of satin clear coat on the lower receiver as we are not going to be swirl painting this portion of the rifle. These little tubes on the sides of the stock are actually detachable. I just have them attached to the stock right now so it's easier for us to apply the decals. The stock will be swirl painted, of course. Now let's get to the fun part, swirl painting.
This couldn't happen again. This is that once in a lifetime. This is the thrill divine. Again, this couldn't happen again. This is that once in a lifetime. This is the thrill divine.
My favorite part of any paint job is actually putting the entire rifle together and just seeing your vision come to life. Let's take a look at what we came up with. This paint job is very personal to me and I'm extremely happy with the way it turned out. For more paint job videos like this one, consider subscribing to the channel.